Hi guys, let's review Huawei Honor AX Max smartphone. It is global version smartphone. It supports all Google applications. This one is blue color. It have blue color, black color, and red color, 3 colors. Here are all Google applications support, include Google Play Store, and it supports all the language menus. Here are all the language menus it supports. I make a video only for my company B2B business. My company supports small order and small business also. We accept sample order from 1 pieces. Black color. We can make it global sending. We have almost 10 years of global sending and international trading experience since 2010. We can deliver Honor AX Max smartphones to your forwarder address in Shenzhen, Guangzhou, or other city in China. Okay, let's continue to review the smartphone. Here is the color box. It is a 7.12-inch IPS LCD display, 18.7 to 9 radio, 350 ppi density. Resolution is 2244 pixels by 1080 pixels. Its operating system is Android 8.1 Oreo operating system. Its CPU is Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 octa-core 1.8 GHz. It supports micro SD card and supports dual nano SIM card. Micro SD card up to 256 GB by micro SD card. And its memory storage have 64 GB ROM, 4 GB RAM, or 6 GB RAM. 4 GB RAM, 128 GB ROM. It have 3 cameras. Selfie front camera is 8 megapixel f2.0 aperture. Its main cameras are dual cameras, 16 megapixel f2.0 aperture and 2 megapixel f2.4 aperture with LED flashlight. Supports fingerprint. The battery built-in is 5000 mAh battery built-in. Supports 9V 2A 18W fast battery charging. Here's fingerprint sensor. Supports micro USB port, FM radio, GPS, AGPS, GLONASS, BDS, Bluetooth 4.2 version. It have black color, red color, and blue color. Now let me show you the camera super clearly. We can see the details. Its CPU, memory, operating system, battery. Here are all the sensors it supports. It is SIM card slot, dual nano SIM card, and 1 micro SD card. Let's continue to check what included in the color box. Voltage drop display, black color. One pieces and plastic bag. Micro USB cable. 9V 2A fast charger. One pieces Euro converter. A jet pen. IMEI sticker. Manual. Warranty certificate. Will come one pieces silicone case. Good quality. Okay, that's all. Thank you for your watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please like us in Facebook and Instagram pages.